What is up, YouTube? Today we are back with another video of Road to 50K funded. So, inside of today, actually ended up catching a semi-big win on the peso. Today was pretty textbook, I'm not gonna lie, but there was a lot of, fake outs for this trade. So I'm gonna break it down for you guys. What was I looking at coming into the day? How I caught this trade, when did I get in, and all that good stuff. So coming into the day, there was none of this price action you see to the right. It was about 5 o'clock. So I came in today, I saw there was a 4 hour demand that was right here. I also saw, 4 hour supply. I also saw another supply on the 1 hour, and then another supply on the 15 minute. Now, for my rules, I have a rule that I do not get inside of um, lower time frames and supplier demand setups when there's a higher time frame right above. It makes no sense. So I knew that price would be attracted to at least fill in this gap and then reject. So that's exactly what I waited for. So at around 9 o'clock, price filled in, no, 8:45, price filled in this gap. And then one of my things is I just don't get inside of the trade after price touches my zone. I look out for how volume is looking like, and then how is the trade respecting or disrespecting that zone. That's also another reason why I didn't get into this 15-minute supply right here. So once I saw price rejecting, I got inside of the trade. I saw a very clean rejection when this candlestick started to reverse. I got in. I really could have gotten in right here, like up here, as soon as it reversed, but it's okay. We live to trade another day. Can't always be perfect on the entries. So after that happened though, I scaled down all the way to the 1 minute. So a key thing that I like to look at, let me bring up, it's not really clear on the futures. So let me go to MXN USD, which is what I look at for analysis. So basically, this is the same thing I'm talking about. This is what I look at for my analysis because it's a bit more cleaner than the futures. So on the 1 minute, once price started rejecting, I saw that we started to disrespect buy side right here. So this was like the last leg. This was a breaker structure, but this was like the last structure that we had to break through for me to be like, okay, we're probably gonna respect sell side. Now I could have gotten an entry on the 1 minute, but honestly, with futures contracts and Top Step, it's not really the best thing to get that that low in time frame with the setups. So even though I got in right here, I was like fully like, okay, this trade is probably gonna play out when we disrespected buy side liquidity right here, and then we created a break. So once we did that, I'm like, okay, this trade's probably gonna play out. So what was I targeting? What was I really looking at? So the main thing I look at after I get inside of a supply trade is liquidity. So down here, we had London lows. I knew exactly when we disrespect buy side liquidity, and we're going straight down to take this liquidity. There's a high probability we will go straight down to take this liquidity down here. So price came all the way down there, as you guys can see. And then I took a partial right here. I took half of my position off because we also had liquidity from yesterday, no, from Asia all the way down here. So I knew there was a possibility price could come down there, but it ended up not coming down there. So I ended up just taking the partial right here, and then price started just doing a whole bunch of nothing. And that's what ended up happening. There was also another trade I could have gotten on the Dow. I just want to show you guys. It's right here. today the Dow's been bullish before this huge sell-off. So price tapped into the zone and then went to go take out London high. But I just didn't like the risk to reward this trade was giving me. So I didn't get inside of this trade and I ended up going for the peso trade, which made me what I made. Right now, my bias still bullish on everything. Um, Even with NQ, I need to see some bullish price action, especially after Nvidia earnings, which as of right now beat estimates. So we'll see how that all plays out. Yeah, just another day, just another trade. Let me show you guys my Top Step account and my analytics. So right now we're winning about 40%, but it's really like a 45% win rate right now. It says our average is a 1 to 2, but honestly, I usually make it's either I win small, like you guys see, or I have a big win, which is like today when price actually runs, or I have a small loss, like you guys have seen too. So as I keep trading, I'm gonna scale my risk back higher. Because I was in drawdown before this, I scaled my risk down. But now that I'm in profit, I'm still gonna have low risk. But if we go a little bit higher, I'm gonna scale my risk back higher. So yeah, it's just another day, just another trade. I'm gonna come back, follow my rules, be consistent. And like I said before, I will pass this challenge. And even if I go inside drawdown again, I will still pass by following my rules and following my plan. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.